Hey guys, my name's Travis, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to align your baffles. So what we have here is an Obsidian 9, and let's get started. We have the full suppressor here, so first things first, we're going to take it apart. And remove the baffles. All right, set that end cap aside, set the module down, and look through your baffles to make sure that the cutout that is inside the baffles is aligned with the rest of the baffles. So take your baffle stack, slide it together, twist it around until the notches connect with each other, and then look through to ensure that all of the baffles are aligned, meaning that you can see through the cutout that is milled into the baffle stack. You're going to do that with both sets of baffles and make sure that they are all aligned and those notches will fit into each other. Next, we are going to install the baffles into the core of the suppressor. So what you can do is just drop it in place like so. Then you're going to take your module, install that onto the core. This is going to be hand tight. Look through the suppressor. You're going to see the cutout that is in the baffles, and you're going to take your module baffle stack, cone end down. You're going to line up those two cutouts, so the cutout in the main baffle stack and the cutout in the module baffle stack by line of sight, and you're going to drop it in. Now, these two baffle stacks should be aligned. If they're not, let's say you drop it in at an angle and they're not as aligned as you would like them to be, you can take your finger and you can place it on the baffle stack and twist it around until they line up. Then you're going to take your end cap and reinstall. Now, one thing that's important while you are reinstalling your end cap is that you're going to need to twist the end cap while holding the suppressor in place. Because if you hold the end cap in place and twist the suppressor, you're going to risk misaligning the baffles again. So then you'll need to remove your end cap and realign them. So hold the suppressor stationary and twist that end cap. Now that's going to be hand tight as well. And that is how you align your baffles.